Hi, my name is Chris Ante, a personal chef at the Chef for You to Have. I'm here in beautiful El Cajon, San Diego, California at a shared commercial kitchen. Today I'd like to be showing you how to make a strawberry, goat cheese, and spinach salad. So to start out, I've got some beautiful baby spinach lettuce. It's been nice and washed and cleaned. And now for a dressing, I've got this strawberry sauce that I made that I like to garnish it onto a dessert or something like that. But we'll use that to make a wonderful dressing. So I'll add a little more of the puree, and it's just a puree of some strawberries with a little bit of sugar. So I'm not going to add any more to that, but I am going to add some vinegar, and what I like to use is this coconut vinegar. It's not sweet, but it has just a really wonderful flavor. And then last, we'll add just a little bit of some salad oil. All right, we've got a wonderful little dressing here. And then what I like to do, I like to toss my salads in the dressing as opposed to just drizzling it on. So we'll add some to our spinach here. And grab some tongs, mix it around. And it's always best right before you serve it. Then that way the spinach will stay nice and crispy and not get all wilted from the vinegar in there. So there's our salad. And now to garnish, put on some strawberries. The beautiful sliced. And we'll add a little diced tomato. And some thinly sliced red onion. And then to finish it off, we'll add the goat cheese. I like to grab a little chunk of it and then just break it up. Let it fall on top of the salad so you can try to get a little bite on every piece. Okay, so there you go. It's a strawberry salad with goat cheese and spinach.